Hey guys, this is Jess here at Summit RV in Ashland, Kentucky. I am standing here in our heated indoor showroom in front of one of our Forest River Sandpiper fifth wheels. We're going to check this out together today. This is the 3550FL floor plan. I hope you guys enjoy it, and please hold on while we get started.
Summit RV, camping made easy. Summit RV vacation.
Alright, so we're going to get started. The first thing that you need to pay attention to is this beautiful big painted front cap. It does wrap around this side, so you're going to have a lot less issues with water intrusion because of the way that this is sealed. We have a beautiful big window up there, blue LED lighting, and then we have the all-new Rhino pin box. As we continue on around, you're going to see that we have the continued LED lighting in blue, just something a little different that adds a signature look to the Sandpiper. Pass-through storage, completely finished. You can see the aluminum structure under there. This has been upgraded with the step above from MORryde. You've got 4 really solid steps there. You can see that this is the 3550FL, and this is the C-Class Edition Sandpiper. We have a fridge out here where you can keep all of your drinks cold at the campground. There's your tires with your aluminum rims. Storage compartment there. Roof ladder already installed. Full walk-on roof. Spare tire. Backup camera prep. And this unit is also prepped for security cameras as well, especially if you're living in this and traveling on the road. Something that's pretty common these days. We'll head on right around here. This is your docking station. This is where everything is going to be for you. This coach does have a water filtration system. You can see the filter here. It also is equipped with the auto leveling system. So that's right there. And of course, we've got our weights right here. That was just a few quick points about the outside. So now we're going to get ready and head inside and see what you guys think about that. Alright guys, we're here in our indoor showroom checking out the Forest River Sandpiper 3550FL. This has a middle kitchen and a big front living area. As you can see, there is a massive window here with a little bench underneath it. Super spacious. Trifold sleeper sofa and a theater seat. And of course, we've got your 32-inch fireplace. TV on a televator, and then you have a big window behind that TV as well, for when you're not wanting to watch the TV. So back down here in the kitchen, you're gonna see you've got your freestanding dinette here. Lots of storage. Stainless steel appliances. Residential refrigerator. And then as we head on back into the bedroom, you can see the master bedroom is here in the back. Beautiful queen size bed, padded headboard, lots of ambient lighting, lots of closet space back here. This is perfect for somebody if you're traveling, if you're living on the road. There's lots of storage here. It feels just like home. You've got your second AC installed back here, so you don't have to worry about that. Little cubby holes beside the bed so you can put your CPAP machine there, and there is an outlet as well as USB ports. Right here to our right is the bathroom. Let's just turn some lights on so we can see this a little better. We have a really nice vanity with a sink with storage beneath it, and then coming up to the mirror here, all of your medicine cabinet storage is going to be right here on your left. We've got a domed skylight, big huge shower, towel rack, porcelain toilet. That's gonna be your bathroom. This unit does come with the roller shades that are soft close. They're gonna open up just the same. And then if you want to shut them, you're just gonna pull on them and they'll snap right back where they go, very slowly and carefully. Alright guys, so let me know what other questions you have about this floor plan. This is brand new for Sandpiper this year. It is a gorgeous floor plan and incredibly affordable. You definitely want to check out our website so you can see our price on it. And thank you for checking out the Sandpiper with me. I hope that you enjoyed it. And again, please leave me any questions that you have and I will be happy to get back with you as soon as possible. We are open here at Summit RV in Ashland, Kentucky, Monday through Friday, year-round. The hours do change seasonally. Right now we are in our winter season, so it's going to be until 5:30 Monday through Friday, and we are always open on Saturdays from 8:30 to 5 p.m. year-round. So we will see you guys soon. You can always call or text message us at 606-928-6795.
Camping made easy. Summit RV vacation fun. Summit RV.